Hi, this is Chris Olson, the General Manager at South Burlington Mazda. I wanted to show you a little unique car today. This is a 2018 Subaru Crosstrek in crystal pearl white. What makes this car a little bit unique is that it's a 6-speed manual transmission and it's a premium package to boot. So that means it has heated seats to keep yourself warm in the wintertime. It includes the Subaru Starlink system. That means Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, keeping you safe on the road and keeping your hands on the wheel. This car, being the premium package, also came with a set of all-weather mats in both the front and rear. And a couple other nicer options they added was the cargo cover, a cargo mat in the back, and of course you got your regular cloth car mats. All of these cars, which you buy here at South Burlington Mazda, come with 2 years of oil changes, 2 years of unlimited tire rotations, and lifetime state inspections at no extra charge. You can see this car and many more at southburlingtonmazda.com.